Crypto investing for beginners. Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, and blockchain. Explained. Hey there. Welcome to Crypto Investing for Beginners. If you've ever wondered how Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies work, or how you can invest in them, this video is for you. In this guide, we'll break down what cryptocurrency is, how blockchain technology works, the top cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum, how to invest in crypto wisely, common mistakes to avoid. Let's dive in. 1. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is digital money that exists only online. Unlike traditional money, it's decentralized, meaning no banks or governments control it. Instead, it's powered by blockchain technology. Examples of popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, BTC, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. Ethereum, ETH, more than just money, it powers smart contracts. Altcoins, other cryptocurrencies like Solana, SOL, Cardano, ADA, and Binance Coin, BNB. 2. How does blockchain work? A blockchain is a public digital ledger that records all crypto transactions. Think of it like a giant spreadsheet that everyone can see but no one can change unfairly. Key features of blockchain: decentralized, no single authority controls it. Secure, uses cryptography to prevent fraud. Transparent, all transactions are visible on the network. Show a simple animation of how blockchain transactions work. 3. Bitcoin and Ethereum explained. Bitcoin, BTC, created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group called Satoshi Nakamoto. It's digital gold and is mainly used for storing value. Ethereum, ETH, launched in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin. It introduced smart contracts which allow developers to create apps on the blockchain. Fun fact: Ethereum powers many NFT and DeFi projects. 4. How to start investing in crypto. Step 1. Choose a crypto exchange. Platforms like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken allow you to buy and sell crypto. Step 2. Secure your investment. Use a crypto wallet like MetaMask or Ledger to store your assets safely. Step 3. Start small and diversify. Invest only what you can afford to lose and consider different coins, not just Bitcoin. Step 4. Avoid FOMO and scams. Be careful of hype and always research before investing. 5. Common crypto mistakes to avoid investing without research. Always understand a project before buying its token. Not securing your assets. Never leave your crypto on exchanges. Use a private wallet. Panic selling. Crypto markets are volatile, so think long-term. Conclusion. And that's a wrap. Now you know the basics of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and how to start investing wisely. Want to learn more? Subscribe and hit the bell for more crypto investing tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments.